Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and today I'm going to review 3 products from FormulaRX. And yeah, let's start with their Daily Glow Toner, and I have their Vitamin C Serum and their moisturizer. So about this Daily Glow Toner, see, it has good ingredients, but it gave me skin reaction. I'm coming to that in a moment. First, let me tell you what it has. So it has PHA 3%. PHA can gently exfoliate our skin. It also can give us this hydration, and it is also very good at fighting free radicals. Then it has 3% niacinamide. I am like a fan of niacinamide. It is truly a superstar ingredient. It can do so much. It can even out the skin tone. It can work on like dark spots. If your skin is like extra oily, then it can balance out the oil production. It can work on pores. It is a very good antioxidant. It is very good for our skin's barrier. Then it has 3% PAD, which is azelaic acid derivative, and this is also very good. Azelaic acid or azelaic acid derivatives, they can do so much. If you have breakouts, they can help you there. They can work on dark spots. It also has glycerin, panthenol, allantoin, and glycerin comes after niacinamide and before PAD. So I assume it has like 3% glycerin because the percentage of niacinamide sorry, so the percentage of niacinamide and PAD is 3%, and the glycerin is placed like between these ingredients, so I assume it is like, I reckon that it is like 3% in this formula. So I really like the ingredients. The texture is very watery, but it feels a little sticky on the skin. This is fragrance free. I have tasted the pH. It has pH between 3 to 4, which is slightly acidic, and I truly had high hopes from this, but first time I used it, it gave me a little rash, here and there. So I thought, okay, let's stop it. Let's not use it for now. I'm gonna like use it some other time. So again, when I used it, I again got those red rash. Then I was like, no, this is not for me. But before reviewing these things, I thought, okay, chalo, let's give it a like last try because I really like the ingredients. So I did. I used this like 3 days back. I used this at night and I got up with the rash. So just not for me. You can still see here this area got sensitized, even this area. Now I'm telling you it's way better, but it was not. And I applied like Sika Bio and the things that I know can soothe my skin, so my skin is in a like better state, but it didn't suit me at all, so I'm not gonna buy this again. And I don't think it is purging. This is legit reaction. I used AHA, BHA all the time, and this is PHA, like gentlest of chemical exfoliants, and I have used PHA before, and I really don't think these rashes are purging, to be very honest. So no, this is not for me. I'm not gonna buy this again. And if I were to use this, I would not have used this every day because I understand it has only 3% of PHA. It won't exfoliate much, but still I use AHA, then I use salicylic acid cleanser, this and that. So I just don't want to take chance where my skin can get like over exfoliated, and trust me, over exfoliation is not good at all for your skin's barrier. It's gonna like damage it like anything. Don't do over exfoliation. So there I'm scared, like I don't want to use PHA based things like every day. So if I had to use it, I only would have used like 3 to 4 times in a week, at night or in the morning, because I would be using sunscreen for sure. So yeah, that's what I would have done, but didn't suit me, so I'm sad. I'm gonna finish it by using it on my body because I don't like to waste skincare stuff, but I really wish it worked for me because the ingredients are good. So then I tried their vitamin C serum, and I have been using this stuff like for almost 1 month, and Moitri told me about this. Texture is not like those watery serum. It has this very hydrating, texture, it is almost gel like, so you know what happens, I tend to like overuse it thinking that it is not a serum, it is a gel. So don't do that, don't be me. I think I have overused it. So I have been using this in the morning with this barrier cream. I'm going to review this in a moment. So I like it. It has 10% vitamin C derivative, 2% arbutin and 2% acetylglucosamine, and these ingredients are very good for like targeting dark spots, especially this vitamin C and arbutin. And this acetylglucosamine, I think I've seen this ingredient in physicians formulas, their multivitamin serum, and I liked it. It can work as, I think, the precursor of HA. It is also good at minimizing the dark spots. If you have pigmentation, uneven skin tone, dark spots, you can try this one. And vitamin C is something, sometimes it doesn't suit me, because you know I have tried this minimalist vitamin C serum which didn't suit me, but the ingredients were good, but it didn't suit me. But this one, I like it. It didn't give me any skin reaction. It gives subtle glow to my skin, and texture is such, it hydrates my skin. Very easy to work with, non-sticky, and I truly love this serum. I have been using this in the morning every day. In the evening I have been using niacinamide, and this combo has been working really well for me. But it is kind of expensive, so I'll try to look for more affordable vitamin C options, but this one is, I like it. It also has other good ingredients like glycerin, it has allantoin, it has tocopherol. I mean, good bunch of like hydrating ingredients and antioxidants. But obviously, if you choose to try this one, do a patch test, because I keep on forgetting that I have to do the patch test. Because I see the ingredients, I see, okay, very good ingredients, cannot do any harm, but then this happens. So don't do my mistake, do a patch test. I mean, sometimes, you know, I do patch test, but it doesn't show the reaction, you know. When I put it on my skin, like on my face, I get reaction, so that happens. But yeah, there are cases where patch test can help you, but sometimes it happened to me. I did a patch test, nothing happened, but when I put it on my like face, reaction from nowhere. But it doesn't mean that it is good to skip the patch test, because it can certainly save you if it works for you. So next I have this barrier relief moisturizer. It is a very lightweight gel moisturizer. The ingredients are awesome. You can see how much I have abused this tube. I like their packaging, by the way. The color, personally I'm a sucker for like pastel colors, and the aesthetics of their packaging, I like it. And this moisturizer is actually good. No, this is a vitamin C. This is a moisturizer. This moisturizer is actually good. It has bunch of fatty acids, good emollients. It has niacinamide. It has 3 types of ceramides. Then oatmeal, allantoin, panthenol. Very good stuff. And I hope they don't increase the price. I mean, this is like around 700, I think 699. And I wish I want it to stay like this, because otherwise it's gonna be again one overpriced moisturizer. But yes, I like the texture. I have dry skin, so I have to use a little more amount of this thing, because this is very lightweight. I mean, not extremely lightweight like a gel, but yeah, this is lightweight, so I had to like put extra of this moisturizer, but it didn't make my skin sticky or anything. It works well with sunscreen. Then I don't know how it's gonna work during the winter. Maybe I can follow up with an oil, and this is what I'm doing at night when I'm using this moisturizer. I'm using an oil. I mean, as the last step. Overall, I really liked it. I think it will suit like all skin types, but I think you have to put extra or less amount of this moisturizer depending on the skin type you have. And what else? Yeah, the ingredients are very good for our skin's barrier. It moisturizes my skin well without making it dull, and I think I'm gonna repurchase it. So that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And let me know if you have tried any other things from this brand, or any of these things from this brand. Have the stuff worked for you or not? And it will be really helpful if you share your like experience. So yeah, see you very soon. Bye bye.